Hello guys, welcome to Original Plawnscape. Today we have brought a beautiful luxurious two-story house for you. So let's have a look. As you can see that the front elevation we have in the rendered photo, and here we have the floor plans for ground floor and the first floor. So also you can see the roof plans also. You have a one bedroom in the ground floor and four bedroom on the first floor, and as you can see that you have two settings for women's and for men's also separately. If you are privacy conscious, it's a very good map for you. As you can see that you have the partition wall in between those spaces, and behind you can see the bathroom alongside stairs and kitchen. And on the first floor you can see four bedroom and balcony also. We have given the glass window upside, and you can see that in the roof we have given this glass window. You can see in the elevation, rendered elevation, you can see that. And here we have the front elevation, very beautiful modern look villa. Now you can see the main door here at the left side we have, and small window we have decoration window. As you can see in the floor plan, the decoration window place. Here we have the main gate, and inside we have men hall. At the right side we have women hall. Dimensions, as you can see, dimension sizes, all dimensions are a meter, so in centimeters you can convert in meters. So all dimensions are in centimeters. As you can see that the centimeter dimensions, and quite big and wide map floor plan. So you can see that here we have the first floor and stairs. As you can see the stairs for both floors, and this one, the fourth one is the top roof. Very elegant look, nice one. As you can see that at the right side, at the front elevation we have the decoration for grass. We can put the grass as decoration. Behind you can see the windows. We have given windows for bathrooms, for bedrooms, and on the first floor level you can also see the setup of windows. Overall looks very beautiful, very professional, very elegant style and very modern look. And hopefully you like this map floor plan. Hopefully you will share this and keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.